For today's video, I was vlogging in Brookhaven Part 1, pero gagawa tayo ng bahay and then we just go to tour it. So, tour natin lang. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? So yeah, ilalabas ko lang ang aking motor. I don't have premium, sorry. So, kaya ibang car na lang. Ito na lang. Be, may bagong kabayo pala dito, pero I don't think so that's free. Wala na yung ano, te. Wala na yung carnival. Tapos na yung carnival. Like, nakakuha ko ng 204 na tickets doon. I don't think or 205 or 200. Basta, nakakuha tayo ng maraming pera. Yeah. Gagawa na tayo ng bayan sa guys. Daycare, wow. Daycare ang playground. I don't think so that's playground guys. So yeah. So we're just going to here in the house. Tignan natin kung may bagong house here kasi itutour natin kasi yan. Ayan, wala kasi akong maisip na video. At saka yung ibang nagantay ng part kasi malag kasi ako kasi pag nag-video. So yeah. Yes. Ay, di pala yung pinuha. So, tara na guys. Itutour ko na kayo dito sa pinakamalaking bahay na yan guys. So, tara. First, there's a sofa here and a table here, mini table, and have a painting or what of picture of sun, and we have a TV here. Ang ganda ng TV ba? Pakbo ng kape. Ay! Oh my god! So, yes. Kamanood dyan. And we have a light here. A window. And we have a table here. Parang kitchen here. Like, dito kayo kakain. And ito yung mga kitchen. Like, ito na natin gawin. Yan. Yan. Part 1 pa lang po ng gagawin natin, guys. And mayroong room here. Like, CR. Pwede ka mag-tae Kenny. Pong maghugas kamay. And mamaya na din kasi alam ko naman ma-basic lang dun eh. So, taas muna para tapos. We have a guitar picture here. We have a double deck bed here. And books, cabinet, what the fuck is that? And what's this? Oh my god, there's a secret. Oh yeah, I like this one secret. I like those secrets here. And we have CR again. Yeah, you can poop and you can wash your hands. You can sleep there. Yeah, sleep here like that. And off the lights. And we have the room number 3. There's a rooftop here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful in the sun. Oh guys, in the sun here. And meron din tayong painting ng flowers. Picture of flowers, yeah. And we have a chair and a bar, shower. What's this? Closet, or not closet because a dress or what, or t-shirt, yeah, a skirt. And we have a mirror here. We have a toilet here, yeah. And we have a makeup storage here. You can sit and do your makeup. So we have a bed in, we have a chair here, and we have a computer here, yes. Computer. I like the computer. Playing Roblox. Oh my god, I like the So yeah, that's all guys. So abangan nyo na lang yung part 2 here kasi part 2 pero